Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to delete a work order, create a work order, and edit a work order. So I'm gonna delete this work order about a pool pump that I created, okay? How do I do that? I can click search a customer and I'm gonna play with the customer named Nelson Silva, right? Which is my name. So customer is here. Um, Click on the work orders and it will list all the work orders that he has. Okay, so if it's a recurring work order, it doesn't have an ending date. See here? So this pool gets cleaned every week without an ending date. So I'm gonna just delete a work order that I created previous before starting this video. So I'm gonna delete this work order here for this property. I can click on the property and it will take me to the property, but I want to delete it. So work orders, look for the work order that I want to delete. The work order I want to delete on the second page, it's right here. So I'm just going to delete it. Pretty simple. So now it deletes the work order. So I'm going to create a work order. There are a few ways of creating a work order. There's this icon here. There's this icon here. Or you can actually do it from the work order menu itself. So I'm going to create a work order. Menu, first icon, I'm going to hide it so it's loading. I'm going to say it's an estimate. I'm going to charge by the service. The customer, I'm going to say it's Nilson Silva. What property I'm going to give an estimate on Seabass. I'm going to see what day I'm there or I have a technician there in order to, you know, try to save on gas. So I'm there on Monday, technician Charles. I'm near there on Thursday by tech Sergio. I'm also there Monday by tech Charles. It's not a working recurring work order, just a regular work order. When I'm gonna be there, I'm gonna say I'm gonna be there tomorrow, the on Wednesday, right? Who I wanted to do, to execute this work order, I'm gonna say Nelson. Please change pool pump. What service? I'm gonna say I'm gonna spend 1 hour of labor, and I'm gonna say super pump. Actually, Pantera Superflow. So I select it and I save. Created a work order. Pretty simple. For whatever reason, I need to edit this work order because I'm not happy. I can actually go to the customer's name. I can actually click here and see what work orders I'm doing. So it's loading, takes a little bit. I can see what work orders I have it here. So I can search for work order under Nelson Silva. And all the work orders that I'm doing for that guy will show up here. So I'm going to look for the one that I'm going to do tomorrow. The fastest way of doing it, it's by here. Nelson Silva. Click on the customer, work orders, and go to the second page. It's going to list by the dates. You know what I'm saying? So we'll just go to the second page. There you go. It's an estimate. Nelson Silva. I want to edit that. I no longer want it to be an estimate. I want to say to repair. Um, Oops. What did I do? I did something. My wife is calling me, but I'll just be able to add it here. So this is pretty simple. Okay? If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Take care. Oops, there's a bug here. I'm not sure why. I will work on this tomorrow. we should be able, don't, it's reloading. Huh, interesting. We should be able to edit this way, brother.